Have you ever wondered if grapefruit is good for you? Let's dive into the world of this unique citrus marvel to find out. Originating from Barbados, the grapefruit, or Citrus paradisi, is a hybrid that emerged from a chance encounter between the sweet orange and the pomelo. Now, isn't that a tasty twist of fate? The name grapefruit comes from its tendency to grow in clusters, much like grapes. Over time, a multitude of varieties have sprung up, ranging from the classic white to ruby red, each with its distinct flavor profile. Speaking of flavor, grapefruit has a taste that's truly its own. It brings together a tantalizing mix of sweetness, bitterness, and an underlying tang that sets it apart from its citrus siblings. It's this unique balance of flavors that makes grapefruit a beloved choice for many. So what makes this citrus wonder stand out in the crowd of fruits? Did you know that a grapefruit is more than just a breakfast staple? This citrus delight is packed with a punch of nutrition that could give even the healthiest of foods a run for their money. Let's dive into what makes the grapefruit a nutritional powerhouse. First up, we have vitamins galore. Grapefruit is brimming with vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties and its role in maintaining healthy skin. This citrus wonder also boasts a healthy dose of vitamin A, essential for good vision and a robust immune system. But that's not all. Grapefruit is a low-calorie option, with a high fiber content that aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Plus, it's got antioxidants, those little warriors that fight off harmful free radicals, protecting your body from damage. All these nutrients make grapefruit a powerhouse of health, but what exactly can they do for your body? So, how does this tangy fruit benefit your health? Let's dive in. Grapefruit is known for its immunity-boosting properties. Packed with vitamin C, it helps fortify your body's natural defenses, keeping you healthy and energized. But that's not all. It's also a fantastic aid in weight loss. The high water content and dietary fiber in grapefruit can keep you feeling full and satisfied, helping to curb those pesky cravings. Moving on to heart health, grapefruit contains key nutrients like potassium and fiber, which have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. It's a heart-friendly choice that's hard to beat. Now let's talk about kidney stones. The citric acid in grapefruit can help prevent these painful formations by reducing the crystallization of calcium and other compounds. And lastly, ever heard about grapefruit for skin health? Its antioxidants may combat skin damage and aging. It seems that grapefruit isn't just delicious, but it's also packed with benefits that are great for your health. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, why not pick up a grapefruit or two?